Hello my friends. If you have Amazfit T Rex, you know that you only have a 3 face installed on your watch, and normally if you want to change the screen you have to just keep touching the main screen down, and then you can just, when it goes down like this, you can just scroll it to the left or right to choose. So normally the first two in the left, the one is analog and the middle one, which is digital, is always there. You cannot change it. The only option you have is only change the third one. So today I want to teach you how to change this one to whatever watch face you want. For example, some custom made one, some of them the analog that is not in the main design of the phone, because normally in the phone you only have few limited watch faces, which is coming here in the application of the Amazfit, which is, they changed the name to Zep, so you can just have all these things, nothing more than that, and you cannot upload anything to the main application of the phone. But you can do it in a different way. There are few ways which I teach you the best and easiest way to do the changes on your screen. By the way, I'm talking about the Android phones, so I'm not sure if about the iPhone users if they can use the same thing, but you can try it actually. So you have to install Amazfit application on your phone, as this application actually need a login, username and password before you're using any faces. I suggest that you go through your laptop or PC, go to their website, log in there and just enroll there and get your username, password, and then come and install it. So then you can start to using this regularly and easily. After you install, and when you're going to Amazfit, you can see thousands of watch faces, analog, digital, and then you can just filter it. So you can just touch the filter, you choose, for example, you want analog only, you want to show calories and date, heart rate, and then you can just touch apply, and then it start to search for you. Then it shows you the analog watch faces, which shows the steps or whatever you just choose there. So it limit that, it just filter that. And if you like something, you can just easily add to favorite and keep it there. By the way, when you are choosing the face, make sure that you see it's English or what, because some of the developer in this application which they upload their faces, some of them are from Russia, so it's a Russian dates, some of them are from Polish if I'm not wrong, and some of them are from Indonesia, and it has a Bahasa language, or sometimes I saw even Arabic. So by the way, I choose few watch faces which I like, so I can show you. And then as an example, I choose one of them to install on my watch, which this type is not inside the main application of the Amazfit. So for example, I want to install this one. I go to the watch. So here is a trick. Here, before you download, you click on the gear side here. It said direct installation or copy to watch skin local. So you make sure you have this option choose. So copy to watch skin local. Then you say okay. Then you push download. You choose one of these three. Any of them can work. Then it comes to this area. So it asks which of the main original face of your watch you want to change. I normally choose this one because I don't like this one, so I prefer to just install anything on this face. So I say this one, and then I replace it. So I ask for sync, just take few seconds, then it comes out. Then I can go to my Amazfit main application. I go to my skin, watch face, then I synchronize same one which I install the new things on my watch. So I synchronize to my watch. It takes just maybe less than 2-3 minutes. Okay, it's done. The synchronization is done, and then now you have custom made screen which you cannot find in Amazfit app. One thing you have to be careful about and don't get panic. Now if you want to change this screen with the original one, maybe you cannot see something is a little bit laggy or something here, so don't worry about that, it's there. But this is one of the side effect of when you're installing a new watch face on your Amazfit T Rex. I hope there is some kind of confusion when you get the phone. You want to activate the tilt to wake option on your watch and you cannot find it. Where is it? So one of the best place to go is you go to the main application of the Amazfit, which is Zep. At the moment they changed the name to Zep, this one. You go there, you go to profile section. Below my device you see the name of your watch, and then here you have lift wrist to VO info. So you have an option to schedule it actually. For example, I put it which day, I mean, I can just let it work or not. I mean, how sensitive is this? Is it normal or very sensitive? Normal means a little bit harder to just maybe just turn your wrist to get it done, but I put it sensitive because I don't want to play too much in the street. It's not nice. And then you can choose a time. For example, I choose between 6 a.m. to 11:20 p.m. So it means only during this time this watch can only use this option to just tilt your wrist and then it start to wake. So the name is actually lift wrist to VO info, not tilt wrist, but I mean just tilting your wrist and it works. Another trick I want to share with you is how you can program the select button. My select button at the moment is my workout, so I put it in my workout. So when I touch my select button, when the screen is normal in my watch face, when I push the select button, I can just go through my workout. I choose which workout I want and then I just go through. But you can just choose anything for the select button. I show you how to change this select button option to make a shortcut for any menu. When your watch face is on, you just scroll to the left, it comes to the applications. You go down, you find setting. You have a watch face setting which shows you that how many seconds you want to stay on. You have a quick startup with the red icon. You click on that. So this is a quick startup, so you can use this one for this select button, which can be workout, status, heart rate, weather, notification, event reminder, alarm, compass, countdown, timer, music, find my phone, disable or whatever. So you can disable that as well. So I put it on heart rate and then I push back and back and back. So now if I push select, it shows my heart rate. If I want to change it back again, I scroll to the left, I go to setting, I go to the red quick start, I put on workout, I push back and back and back, and then now my select is my workout. This is how you can program your select button. This is how you lock your screen. You just scroll down, you have a lock button here, you touch it. So it means none of these buttons and a screen can work, and the only way you can unlock it, actually when you just tilt your wrist, you can see the watch but you cannot do anything because it's locked. So to unlock, just push the select button and it get unlocked, and then all the buttons start to working back again. I hope this video is useful for you. Till next time, bye.